What's happening, party people? As you may know, this is video number 2 for today. For some reason, I forgot to release a video a few weeks ago. Then I looked at the date, was trying to clean up some stuff on my hard drive this morning. I've been gone from home over a month and only reached 2 cities. I thought I was going to be gone maybe 2 months. Man, I better get Elizabeth to start checking my mail back there in Cincinnati, cause I ain't even close to heading home. So I found a couple videos that I forgot to publish publicly. So I released one this morning. I set one on a timer to be released tomorrow. So today there's 2 videos going to be released. Tomorrow there's 2 videos going to be released. So man, that's that. Whew. Getting behind on releasing videos. Yesterday I checked with a guy named Eric. Got his 850 running. Start poking around and I noticed some metal flake in his coolant reservoir. Last time I seen that, pulled that water pump off that car in Chicago. The water pump was coming apart, scraping the inside of the water pump housing. So I recommended that he do a water pump timing belt. And man, that thing is 25 years old, 260-ish thousand miles. You guys got to get those original water pumps out of those cars ASAP, or you're going to be looking at an engine. I met with another guy named Eric. His video may post today. He put a brand new HOWR water pump on his 850. It didn't last. Came apart, destroyed his engine. Now he's redoing the whole engine on that thing. Only use Asian water pumps. Just wanted to take a minute to thank some of the folks that have sent me some support, trying to get me out of the red, man. I appreciate that. John F., Betsy S., Robert B., Robert S., Adam L., Herbert K., Cam S., J.O., not to be confused with O.J., Sandra B., my buddy Rudy M., William T., David R., Stephen C. Had a couple people sent me some Cash App donations. Roger B., Mitch sent me some cash, and I met a couple people at the salvage yard. Man, I forgot those guys' names, but you know, they gave a donation, helped me out. People donating parts, that helps me out, then I ain't got to buy parts. Brian, Greg, a couple of Erics hired me to do work on their cars, so I appreciate that. All that stuff's helping me stay out here, keeping me going, slowly grinding out of that red zone, and you know, who knows, maybe a week or 2 I'll be in the yellow and then in the green. So hey, I'm looking forward to meeting more people, helping more people get their rides repaired and serviced, and transformation and conversions on them. So you know, looking forward to having a good time. So a little chilly out here today. It's supposed to be raining all day today, but not raining, just pretty overcast. So maybe we'll get some stuff done today that I didn't expect to get done. And I'm not in a hurry to get to anywhere or from anywhere. And remember, there's links in the description of the videos where you guys could catch up where what I'm doing, understand what's going on, and just Diane and I are having a decent time, and she's relaxed and I'm having fun. So that's where we're at. Hope you enjoyed today's videos, and thanks a lot for you guys' supports and prayers. Catch you later. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Here we are, folks. 850 under surgery. Had a, hate to say it, good HOWR water pump on it. Didn't make it to timing belt interval change. Shifted out. started grinding the impeller inside the casing. Finally locked up, and through the timing, the thing's sitting in there like that. I don't know if you can see that thing leaning up through the timing. So here we are. We got a fresh one, baby. Yeah, about to go in. So we got some competition for Dan the Man. Man, look how beautiful this stuff is. This stuff is set up and ready to go. Man, I thought Dan the Man worked on getting his stuff cleaned up. Whoo-wee! Look at that. Look at that beautiful cleaned up area. Repainted, all kind of stuff going on here. This thing is ready to put together, be like a brand new car. We're going to kick off this project and replace the evaporator. Evaporator has been leaking on this vehicle, and it's already disconnected, so that's a good thing. So we're going to come in here, pull the dash pad. Look at these nice seat skins he got on here, seat covers. And we're going to take the dash pad off, take the dash out. We're going to see if we can read the mileage and maybe even correct the mileage on the odometer. He's already replaced the gears in it, so the gears work, but it'd be nice to have it reading the correct mileage. It's a nice dash on the car. Dash pad, he may replace that. I got a couple of those with me, surprisingly, and he's already done the roof liner in it. That looks good. So we're going to see if hooking up a battery even with the engine out will allow us to read the OBD1 ports. Trying to trick my jump box into giving us power, and it didn't want to do it. I had this thing almost testing the OBD1 tester for the miles, and it shut off on me, so I'm going to start again with the key off. We have the dash out. We're going to go ahead and fix the odometer mileage. That was off about 17,000 miles. Then we're going to support the dash mounts in case those ever decide to break. Then we're going to pull this center climate control unit away from firewall and replace that evaporator in there. Kind of a refresher on this stuff here. Man, this thing is clean. Timing stuff. He just put this HOWR exhaust manifold on here. Now, a lot of people are confused with the HOWR manifold and what they call a Japanifold. The HOWR manifold has all 5 of the exhaust ports swinging toward this hole. The Japanifold has one of these runners, I think from cylinder 1, going up and across and then down, just like the stock manifold, except this hole is bored open wider and the vanes are recessed deep like this. The stock manifold, the vanes are level with this and this hole smaller. But the Japanifold has got a wider opening, even wider than this, and those vanes are set back, but it has this thing across the top. So a lot of people getting the HOWR manifolds confused with the Japanifolds just because the back side up here says Japan on it. That doesn't make it a Japanifold. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys how neat and clean this engine was. That's the speed sensor on the back of the transmission, reading the speed off, I believe, that axle. And over here, since this is a 94, it has a oil level sensor on the oil pan, which is really cool, really rare. So anyway, nice clean engine getting ready to go in this ride. There we go, folks. Got the miles corrected to the actual cluster. We are gaining ground. We just gained about 17,000 miles. Got everything out far enough to get to that evaporator. Swap that thing out and start going back together. Man, look at that evaporator. (60–70% clogged). Which one of these things do you want to breathe through? The moldy plugged one on the right, or the clear, fresh one on the left that's going to have a cabin air filter in front of it? This cabin air filter on the left prevents these clogged evaporators on the right. Get you some! If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.